In the hidden world of conspiracies, there are amazing and mysterious machines that the government says are not real. These mysterious machines are super fast and can do things regular machines cannot. One of these machines is aircraft, which can be said to be stealthy and as fast as rockets. They are like something out of a science fiction movie or possible UFOs. The Pentagon has confirmed the existence of UFO aircraft that defy physics at Area 51. This mystery and secrecy keep us wondering about the incredible world of secret planes and strange things in the sky. Join us as we explore 10 secret aircraft that don't exist. Number 10. Aurora. The saga of Aurora first unfolded in the late 1980s and early 1990s, when reports emerged of unusual high-speed aircraft sightings. Witnesses described sonic booms and contrails, unlike conventional planes, giving rise to conjecture about an extraordinary aircraft hidden in the depths of classified projects. The mere mention of Aurora conjured images of an aircraft capable of astonishing hypersonic speeds far beyond the capabilities of known military aircraft. Central to the Aurora legend are its rumored hypersonic capabilities. Believed to travel at speeds exceeding Mach 5 or even Mach 6, Aurora could traverse immense distances within remarkably short time frames. Such extraordinary speed would redefine the boundaries of reconnaissance and surveillance, allowing for swift responses to emerging global threats. Eyewitnesses often recounted unique contrails left in Aurora's wake. These contrails, characterized by a donut-on-a-rope appearance, hinted at an unconventional propulsion system. Speculation abounded regarding advanced propulsion technologies, including scramjet engines and anti-gravity mechanisms. Such innovations would bestow on Aurora unparalleled speed and agility. Aurora's lore frequently revolves around its clandestine missions. Rumors suggest that this enigmatic aircraft serves in surveillance and covert operations, possibly monitoring foreign nations or gathering intelligence. Its purported stealth capabilities would enable it to operate covertly, slipping through the skies unnoticed and undetected. The most perplexing aspect of the Aurora narrative is the shroud of secrecy enveloping it. Government authorities have maintained a steadfast silence, neither confirming nor denying such an aircraft's existence. This silence fuels speculation that Aurora may have been part of a black-budget project, perhaps discontinued or replaced by more advanced technologies. Skeptics argue that many reported Aurora sightings can be attributed to conventional aircraft, meteorological phenomena, or optical illusions. They question the validity of claims surrounding this secret jet, suggesting that its existence might be a product of myth and misinformation. Number 9. Project Blue Book. Project Blue Book, a United States Air Force, USAF program operational from 1952 to 1969, holds a unique place in American history as a systematic effort to investigate unidentified flying objects, UFOs. The project emerged during heightened public interest in UFO sightings and aimed to assess these phenomena scientifically. This essay explores the origins, purpose, methodology, challenges, controversies, and legacy of Project Blue Book. Project Blue Book was born out of necessity and officially inaugurated on March 2, 1952. The backdrop for its creation was a series of high-profile UFO sightings and growing public curiosity about unexplained aerial phenomena. Project Blue Book had several leaders, but Captain Edward J. Ruppelt's tenure from 1951 to 1953 left an indelible mark. Ruppelt introduced a more scientific and systematic approach to UFO investigations. Dr. J. Allen Hynek, an astronomer and project consultant, played a pivotal role in classifying UFO sightings. Project Blue Book encountered numerous challenges and controversies. Critics alleged that it lacked scientific rigor and transparency, functioning more as a public relations tool to dismiss UFO sightings than a genuine scientific endeavor. High-profile cases like the 1952 Washington, D.C. UFO incidents underscored the difficulties of explaining sightings that defied easy dismissal. The project often grappled with limited resources and a backlog of cases, further complicating investigations. Number 8. A-12 Avenger II. The A-12 Avenger II, also known as the A-12, was a highly ambitious and secretive aircraft program initiated by the United States Department of Defense in the late 1980s. Developed by the McDonnell Douglas and General Dynamics teams, the A-12 was intended to be a carrier-based stealth attack aircraft that would replace the aging A-6 Intruder and A-7 Corsair II aircraft in the U.S. Navy's fleet. The A-12 Avenger II program was born from the need for a modern, stealthy, carrier-based aircraft capable of conducting strike missions in highly contested environments. Previously employed in aircraft like the F-117 Nighthawk, stealth technology was crucial to evading enemy radar and air defenses. The A-12 was envisioned as a versatile aircraft that could carry out precision strikes against land and sea targets, effectively enhancing the Navy's offensive capabilities. One of the key features of the A-12 was its advanced stealth design, which aimed to reduce radar cross-section and make the aircraft difficult to detect by enemy radar systems. The aircraft's shape, materials, and internal structure were all optimized for minimal radar reflection, allowing it to penetrate enemy airspace with a reduced risk of detection. The A-12 was intended to have a range of advanced avionics and sensors, including a highly sophisticated radar system, advanced electronic warfare capabilities, and cutting-edge navigation and communication systems. These features would have enabled the aircraft to operate effectively in all weather conditions and provide critical situational awareness to its crew. However, the A-12 Avenger II program faced numerous challenges and setbacks. The project experienced substantial cost overruns and delays, primarily due to the complexity of the technology involved and difficulties in managing the program effectively. The development costs skyrocketed, and the initial projections for the number of aircraft to be built decreased significantly. One of the most significant setbacks for the A-12 program was the discovery of technical issues related to the aircraft's engine. The aircraft was supposed to be powered by the F-402 RR-408 engines, but engine development problems plagued the project, leading to significant delays and increased costs. The engine issues and other program challenges raised concerns within the U.S. Congress and the Department of Defense about the viability of the A-12 program. Ultimately, the A-12 Avenger II program was canceled in January 1991 by then-Secretary of Defense Dick Cheney due to its ongoing technical and financial problems. The decision to terminate the program was met with controversy and legal disputes between the U.S. government and the contractors, McDonnell Douglas and General Dynamics. The cancellation resulted in extensive litigation, with the government seeking reimbursement for the funds invested in the program. In 1994, the U.S. government settled with the contractors, paying substantial penalties and damages. The A-12 program's cancellation had significant financial implications for the government and defense contractors. Number 7. Boeing Bird of Prey. The Bird of Prey, designated as the Boeing Model 896, was developed by the Boeing Phantom Works division, renowned for its cutting-edge and classified projects. Although it was unveiled to the public in 2002, it had already been flying in secret for several years, underscoring its level of secrecy. The decision to declassify the project and reveal its existence to the public was deliberate, shedding light on a remarkable piece of aviation history. At first glance, the Bird of Prey exhibits a distinctive and unconventional appearance. Its design features a faceted, angular shape, contributing to its radar-absorbing capabilities, a hallmark of stealth technology. The aircraft's appearance is strikingly different from conventional fighter jets or bombers, showcasing Boeing's commitment to innovative design principles. Its unique appearance earned it the nickname Bird of Prey due to its resemblance to the predatory bird. One of the key achievements of the Bird of Prey project was its success in radar cross-section reduction. The faceted design, composite materials, and other radar-absorbing features contributed to a reduced radar signature, making it challenging for radar systems to detect and track the aircraft. This accomplishment was vital for advancing stealth technology and paved the way for more advanced stealth aircraft, such as the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. The Bird of Prey also incorporated several other advanced technologies and design elements. Its single-seat cockpit was equipped with a heads-up display and advanced avionics systems. It was powered by a Pratt & Whitney JT15D5C turbofan engine, providing the necessary thrust for flight testing. While its top speed and other performance characteristics remained classified, the aircraft could sustain flight at subsonic speeds. Number 6. X-37B Orbital Test Vehicle. The X-37B Orbital Test Vehicle, a remarkable and enigmatic spacecraft, has captured the imagination of space enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists alike since its first launch in 2010. Developed by the United States Air Force, this uncrewed spaceplane remains a symbol of secrecy, cloaked in its mission objectives and capabilities. The X-37B is a small, autonomous, reusable spaceplane that resembles a miniature space shuttle, measuring just under 30 feet long with a wingspan of about 15 feet. It's significantly smaller than its NASA counterpart. This spacecraft boasts the intriguing ability to launch into space atop a conventional rocket and return to Earth to land on a runway like an aircraft. It's worth noting that there are multiple X-37B vehicles, each designated with a specific mission number. One of the most captivating aspects of the X-37B is the clandestine nature of its missions. The spacecraft's primary mission objective is often classified, leading to many speculations about its true purpose. The U.S. Air Force asserts that the X-37B is a testbed for various technologies, including advanced guidance systems, materials, and reusable spacecraft components. While these claims are plausible, many believe that the X-37B's activities extend beyond mere experimentation. The spacecraft's long-duration missions are particularly intriguing. The X-37B has spent months and even years in orbit during a single mission, a feat that raises eyebrows in the aerospace community. Its extended stays in space suggest the capability to perform various tasks, such as surveillance, reconnaissance, or even testing advanced weaponry. While no concrete evidence supports these claims, the secrecy surrounding the X-37B fuels suspicions. The X-37B's versatility and adaptability are also noteworthy. Its payload bay, about the size of a pickup truck bed, can accommodate a variety of experiments and equipment. This flexibility allows the spacecraft to serve different purposes from one mission to the next. For instance, it can deploy small satellites, conduct scientific research, or test new technologies, adding to its mystique. Another aspect that adds to the mystique is the X-37B's autonomous nature. It can perform its mission objectives without direct human intervention, including rendezvous with other satellites, demonstrating its advanced robotics and AI capabilities. This autonomy makes it a potentially valuable asset for benign and covert missions. The X-37B's advanced re-entry and landing capabilities are also of interest. Unlike conventional spacecraft that splash down in the ocean, the X-37B returns to Earth and lands on a runway, much like an airplane. This feature enables rapid retrieval and assessment of the spacecraft and its payloads, reducing downtime between missions. Number 5. Northrop YF-23 Black Widow II. The YF-23, designed and built by Northrop, was developed in response to the U.S. Air Force's Advanced Tactical Fighter (ATF) program, which aimed to replace the aging F-15 Eagle as the primary air superiority fighter. The competition for the ATF program was fierce, with two industry giants, Northrop and Lockheed, submitting their respective designs, the YF-23 and the YF-22, respectively. One of the defining characteristics of the YF-23 was its stealthy design, which minimized its radar cross-section and made it exceptionally difficult for adversaries to detect. The aircraft featured a sleek, angular shape, radar-absorbent materials, and advanced composite materials in its construction, all contributing to its radar-evading capabilities. This emphasis on stealth was a response to the evolving threats of the time, with radar technology becoming increasingly sophisticated. The YF-23 was powered by two General Electric YF-120 GE100 turbofan engines, providing impressive speed and maneuverability. It boasted a speed of approximately Mach 2.2 and demonstrated superb agility during flight tests. The combination of stealth and high performance made it a formidable contender in the ATF competition. One of the unique design features of the YF-23 was its use of a diamond or cranked kite wing planform. This unconventional wing shape allowed for greater lift and reduced drag, enhancing the aircraft's maneuverability and range. The YF-23's wings also incorporated leading-edge root extensions and an innovative control system that gave it exceptional stability and control. Inside the cockpit, the YF-23 featured advanced avionics and displays, including a glass cockpit with a hands-on throttle and stick control system. It was designed with pilot comfort and efficiency in mind, ensuring the aircraft could effectively control itself during high-speed, high-G maneuvers. Number 4. F-117 Nighthawk. The Nighthawk, developed by Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works division, emerged from a veil of secrecy during the 1980s. Its unique design, characterized by flat-angled surfaces and radar-absorbent materials, gave it a nearly invisible profile to enemy radar systems. This revolutionary approach to stealth technology marked a paradigm shift in aerial warfare. The F-117 was designed to penetrate heavily defended airspace and accurately strike high-value targets. One of the most remarkable features of the F-117 was its ability to operate under the cover of night, capitalizing on its stealth characteristics. This nocturnal prowess earned it the nickname Nighthawk. Its radar-absorbent materials and unusual shape made it extremely challenging for enemy radar systems to detect, track, and engage. The F-117 Nighthawk made its operational debut during the Gulf War in 1991. Its involvement in the conflict marked a significant turning point in the use of stealth technology in combat. Operating primarily at night, the F-117 executed precision strikes against key Iraqi military installations, including command and control centers and critical infrastructure. The accuracy of its laser-guided bombs was unparalleled, effectively neutralizing key targets without causing widespread collateral damage. One of the most iconic moments of the Gulf War was when an F-117 Nighthawk, with its faceted black shape, was featured on television screens worldwide as it dropped bombs on Baghdad. This was a defining moment for stealth technology, showcasing its effectiveness on the global stage. Number 3. RQ-180. The RQ-180 is believed to be a stealthy, high-altitude, long-endurance reconnaissance drone designed for intelligence-gathering missions. Its primary role is to conduct deep penetration and covert operations, collecting critical information while remaining undetected by enemy air defenses. This capability is paramount in modern warfare, as it allows for a comprehensive understanding of enemy activities without putting human pilots at risk. In terms of performance, the RQ-180 is thought to have impressive capabilities. It is designed to operate at very high altitudes, possibly reaching above 65,000 feet, which allows it to survey vast areas and avoid most threats. Additionally, its long endurance ensures extended mission durations, enabling it to loiter over target areas for extended periods, collecting valuable intelligence. The RQ-180's propulsion system is another area of interest. While specific details are classified, the drone is widely believed to employ a high-efficiency engine that grants it exceptional speed and range. This allows for rapid deployment to various theaters of operation and the ability to cover vast distances during a single mission. The payload capabilities of the RQ-180 are another critical aspect of its mission profile. It has advanced sensors and imaging systems including synthetic aperture radar, electro-optical and infrared sensors, and electronic intelligence equipment. These sensors allow the aircraft to gather a wide range of intelligence, including imagery, signals, and electronic data, making it a versatile asset for the intelligence community. While the existence of the RQ-180 was officially confirmed by the U.S. Air Force in 2013, much of its development and operational details remain classified. It is thought to have been developed by Northrop Grumman's Advanced Systems Division under a highly secretive program. The drone's exact number in operation and deployment locations are also closely guarded secrets, but it is believed to be operational and has likely been deployed on sensitive intelligence missions. Number 2. TR-3A. The TR-3. A black triangle is a mysterious and elusive aircraft subject to countless conspiracy theories and rumors. While it remains officially unconfirmed by any government or military agency, it has captured the imagination of aviation enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists alike. This essay will explore what is known and speculated about the TR-3A black triangle. The origins of the TR-3A black triangle can be traced back to the 1980s and 1990s, when reports of unidentified flying objects with triangular shapes began to emerge. These sightings often described large, silent, low-flying aircraft with extraordinary maneuverability. Witnesses claimed that this mysterious craft could hover, accelerate rapidly, and make sharp turns that defied the laws of conventional aviation. One of the most significant claims regarding the TR-3A black triangle is that it possesses advanced stealth technology, making it virtually invisible to radar. This alleged stealth capability has led to speculation that the aircraft is used for covert reconnaissance missions, electronic warfare, or other classified operations. Some even suggest it could be a test bed for cutting-edge radar-absorbing materials and technologies. Another intriguing aspect of the TR-3A mythos is its propulsion system. Many conspiracy theories propose that the aircraft is powered by unconventional means, possibly using anti-gravity or electromagnetic propulsion. These speculative propulsion systems are often linked to their reported ability to hover silently and achieve high speeds without producing a sonic boom. The name TR-3A implies that the aircraft is a successor to the TR-3, although information about the TR-3 is scarce, adding to the mystery. Some conspiracy theorists believe these aircraft are part of a series of top-secret projects developed by the U.S. government or military-industrial complex. Number 1. SR-72. The SR-72, often called the Son of Blackbird, represents a cutting-edge advancement in aerospace technology and a potential successor to the legendary SR-71 Blackbird. This hypersonic reconnaissance aircraft, currently under development by Lockheed Martin, is shrouded in secrecy and poised to redefine the possibilities of global surveillance and strike capabilities. The SR-72 project emerged as a response to the increasing need for rapid global surveillance and strike capabilities in an era of evolving geopolitical challenges. The original SR-71 Blackbird, retired in 1998, left an indelible mark on aviation history with its record-breaking speeds and altitudes. The SR-72 seeks to build upon this legacy by incorporating hypersonic technology, which allows it to travel at speeds exceeding Mach 5. The SR-72 is super fast, way faster than regular planes. It might be able to fly without a pilot, which is flexible for different missions. It can go all around the world quickly, helping to gather information and strike fast when needed. It's also hard to spot on radar and can be used for both spying and attacking. The prospects of the SR-72 program are both intriguing and uncertain. Its continued development and potential deployment could reshape the worldwide aerospace industry and military doctrine. However, given the classified nature of the project, many details remain hidden from public view. Thanks for watching. While you are still here, click on the link on your screen to check out more videos. See you there.